Trying to get the whole family to eat more veggies can be tricky, but you can make it happen this January, or should I say, Canuary. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to quickly drum up a healthier, family-pleasing casserole that's higher in protein, vegetables, and tons of cheesy goodness. High-protein pizza cauliflower casserole. First, preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Then, spray a 4-quart baking dish with Chosen Foods avocado oil spray. Place one 32-ounce package of basket and bushel cauliflower florets into the baking dish, along with 2 cups of sliced baby bella mushrooms, 1 cup of Hy-Vee Shortcuts chopped tricolor bell peppers, and a 1/3 cup of Hy-Vee Shortcuts chopped red onions. Spray with additional avocado oil, then roast this for 30 to 35 minutes or until cauliflower gets fork tender. Cauliflower is full of slimming nutrients like fiber, which helps support weight management and boosts fullness. Once that's done, remove veggies from the oven and add one 14-ounce package of cooked, frozen turkey meatballs. Then, fold in 1 jar of Gustare Vita cacio e pepe pasta sauce and 1 tablespoon of salt-free tomato, basil, and garlic seasoning, using a silicone spatula until well coated. Once that's done, drizzle with a 1/2 cup of Hy-Vee finely shredded pizza cheese. Bake this dish again for 10 to 12 minutes or until meatballs reach an internal temp of 165 degrees and the edges are bubbly. Let this stand for 5 to 10 minutes before serving and garnish with Gustare Vita pizza sauce, mini pepperonis, and fresh basil. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Your path to a healthier you starts at Hy-Vee. Let our team of registered dietitians help provide nutritional guidance and support tailored to your lifestyle.